Bri.
What?
Bri, please talk to me. Kung nagalit ka dahil pumunta ako dito, I'm sorry. Pero pinagbigyan ko lang naman si tita eh.
Trina, that is not the point.
Kung hindi yun, then what is?
Will you stop acting like my girlfriend? Di ba break na tayo?
Bakit? Dahil may kapalit na ako? Si Maru, ganon?
Trina, walang kinalaman si Maru dito. At kung magalit ka sa akin. And don't get mad at other people dahil wala sang kinalaman dito.
I'm sorry, Brian. But I can't accept your reason. Kaya para sa akin, tayo pa rin. And as far as I know, ikaw ang boyfriend ko at ako ang girlfriend mo. I will never let you go, Brian. You bought that for us? Thanks, Brian.
You're welcome.
Hindi ako papayag kung wala ka sa akin, Brian. I will get you back. I will make him fall in love with me again. Lahat gagawin ko para mahalin niya ako ulit.